Hi everyone, welcome back to another monthly favorites. Today I'm going to talk about the items that I've enjoyed using during the month of July, and I'm also going to talk about new items that I discovered this month which are mostly sustainable. So yeah, let's get to it. The first one I want to talk about are these Bite toothpaste tabs. These are from the brand Bite, and this jar here contains 248 bits, which I don't know how to describe this. This is like it's a tab. It's toothpaste in pill form or tab form. They look like little pills to me. But yeah, I just recently found out about this brand. I think on TV they had featured the company. I don't remember what I was watching, but they were talking about this company and how sustainable they were because they don't use any plastic in their packaging. And that just really piqued my interest because I'm trying to find hygiene or household products that are sustainable or eco-friendly. So this is really cool because it comes with 248 toothpaste bits. So this is like a 4-month supply for my husband and I actually did the math because I was a little worried that we would run out of these. You have the option of purchasing a subscription. So every 4 months I will be getting 248 toothpaste bits. Without the jar though. So that's the thing. You keep the jar. They only send you this jar on your first purchase. And after that, when you get every 4 months when you get the new bits, they come in like a little pouch. I haven't received it yet because I just bought these, but I love them so far because they're not super minty. That's my least favorite thing about traditional toothpaste. They're too overpowering with the mint flavor. I don't like it. I personally don't like mint. I'm not a huge fan of mint. These have a berry, like a punch flavor. It's like a punch flavor, like a fruity punch flavor. This is actually recommended for kids, but I wanted to buy them because, like I said, I'm not a huge fan of mint. They foam up in your mouth really nicely. It's not too much foam like traditional toothpaste. These are fluoride free and it's made with clean ingredients. So you just place one bit in your mouth and you just bite down and you start brushing your teeth with a wet toothbrush. I highly recommend these if you're trying to find a sustainable alternative to traditional toothpaste that come in a tube. The next item is also oral hygiene related. These are bamboo toothbrushes. I'm actually going to open one for you guys. These are bamboo toothbrushes. The bristles are actually made out of nylon. That's the only thing, is that the bristles are made out of nylon. So if you want to recycle this, you would just have to cut this off and recycle the brush head. But yeah, these are biodegradable. These are from the brand The Humble Company. I saw them at Target and I purchased a few. I'm going to try to post links in the description box. It does feel weird when you first try them because the wood texture, the bamboo texture, is very different from the plastic that we're used to. So just be aware that it is going to feel a little bulkier and a little more dry and just a little grainy. It has like a wood texture. But yeah, I really like these. Makes me feel good about not creating more waste because we go through, I mean, think about it, every 3 months you have to switch to a new toothbrush. So that's a lot of waste. Yeah, I highly recommend these. It just takes time to get used to the feeling of brushing with a bamboo toothbrush. Next item are these Konjac sponges. So Konjac, if you guys don't know, I believe it's a vegetable root. It's made out of like some kind of root or like plant. Clearly I did not read up on this before making this video, but I know that it's made out of like some sort of plant or root. So they are biodegradable. They are going to break down over time. And right now it's a little hard because it's brand new. Once you get these wet, they get a little soft, and these are good because they exfoliate my skin very gently. These are a way better alternative to the traditional nylon sponges or like the loofahs. Next item are these laundry dryer wool balls. I've been using these lately when I do laundry, when I dry my clothes. These are a less wasteful alternative to the traditional dryer sheets that come in the cardboard box. So these actually, they work. They remove the static from my clothing. The only thing is that they don't have a scent. They're not scented. I really don't care that much if my laundry smells perfumey. I don't mind. I'm actually trying to stay away from using too many fragrances. Wool comes from sheep, and wool is biodegradable, unlike the dryer sheets. I believe those are not biodegradable. And also the packaging, the cardboard box that it comes in, that just creates more waste. So yeah, I prefer using these. I don't mind that they're unscented. So the last item, it's the Misha BB Cushion. This is a favorite of mine. I bought this from yesstyle. I've been using it a lot this month. I have been going out a little more, and I like this because it's a compact. It has the air, what do you call these? Air puff? I think these are air puff or BB puffs. I don't know the name, but these are great. It gives you a nice, flawless, even application. And this is the cushion with the BB cream. So you just press down and you can apply it on the go. This contains SPF 50, so I love having this in my purse. So anytime I'm out and about, I can just easily reapply on the go and just have that sun protection with me at all times. So this is very, very convenient. And if you guys are interested, I will have a link where you can get a discount. Just full transparency here, I do get a small commission when you make a purchase using this link. I believe it's a 5% discount. So yeah, if you guys are interested in making a purchase from yesstyle, I'm gonna post a link in the box below. Okay, so that's it for my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you've tried any of the items that I mentioned. Did you like it? Did you not like it? What are your thoughts? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!